Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do melted chocolate in the air fryer and then use it for putting over your air fryer chocolate cake. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to RecipeThis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. This is the air fryer chocolate cake we've already made. Perfectly cooked, absolutely spot on. And then what we want to do now is we want to make chocolate, some melted chocolate to cover it in. So putting the cake to one side, grab yourself a silicone bowl or plastic bowl or something that is air fry friendly, and then I'm using Bourneville dark chocolate here. And then just break it up into the chunk. And then you can do a full bar if you want. Right, so that's one full bar of Bourneville. Open up your air fryer. Place it in. Looking for a temperature of 120 Celsius, that's 250 Fahrenheit. And a cook time of 4 minutes, and then we can check on it. So let's check on our chocolate, shall we? Oh, that is melting perfectly. So I recommend at this point get a spoon in. Oh yes, that is just perfect melted chocolate. Right, so grab a tea towel, whatever you've got, so that you can lift it out your air fryer basket. Air fryer can go away now, and let me show you that. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Dark chocolate melted in the air fryer, you just can't beat it. And of course you can mix it with some double cream if you want to make a proper chocolate ganache as well. So this is the cake that we've already made. Oh, the top. And then if you want to spoon the melted chocolate. Melted chocolate in the air fryer. Oh, it's absolutely lovely. Even better if you've got a really nice brand of chocolate like Bourneville. And then, daughter absolutely obsessed with sprinkles, unicorns and anything similar, so I'm just going to decorate it a bit for her. You can do a cake really easy by just adding some sprinkles to the top and some melted chocolate. You don't have to be worrying about buttercream or difficult decorations if you're not very good in that department. So then let it rest in the silicone for about an hour before serving it, just because it gives the chocolate a chance to harden up, and then you can tuck in and enjoy. And it's perfect for a kids party or just when you fancy trying out to see if it's easy enough to do chocolate cake in the air fryer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.